Hi all, greeting for the day. Today we will discuss about some of the keys which are used in the Excel and very important if you are doing reporting and other tasks. So let's discuss one by one. As you can see on my left hand side I have just created one random data, and on my right hand side I have mentioned all the keys. You can just take it as a screenshot or whatever you want for your reference. So let's start with one by one. Our first key is Alt F11, which is used to create sum all the selected data. Like I'm selecting this data and I have to push sum over here, so I have to just press Alt and F11, or I can just press Alt plus sign, so it will give me the sum of the selected area. Okay, and next key is for display current time. So for that I have to press Control plus Shift plus semicolon. Like today's time, current time is 9:17, so it's showing me the current time for now. And for current date we can press Control plus semicolon. It will show today's date. So today's 16 May 2020, so it's showing me 16 May 2020. And now I have to select complete row and cell. Okay, so suppose I am over here, so I have to select a complete row, so I have to just uh, press shift and space bar, then it will select a complete row. Same as if I want to select a column, I have to select control and space bar, it will select column. So next key is to hide the rows and column. I have to press control and 0 for the column, and now I'm selecting row, control shift for control plus 9, then it will be hide. Now I have to delete any specific row, column or data. Delete in the sense not this delete. If I am pressing this delete, it will be delete the data. I have to delete the complete cell or complete row, so I have to select the area which I have to remove. I have to press control minus, it will remove the data and along with the cell. Same as for any of row and column. Now if I have to enter any value in particular cell, this is my cell, and I am putting enter, then it will come on to the next cell. So if I want to enter the same into the same cell within the next line, so I have to do Alt plus enter. Then see, you can see the next line is here. Okay, and next is save a file. For that we have to just press F12. We can go to the location, it will be show the location where we can save the file. Similarly, like I have already created 2-3 data, I am removing all these sheets. Suppose this is the data and I have to create a chart. There are some more options are available, so I'm just explaining how you can create a chart by the key only. So you can just press F11, so you can see that chart is already created. Next key is to new worksheet. So for new worksheet you have to just press shift plus F11, you can see multiple worksheets are creating. Next is to create new workbook. You have to press Control and N. It is common for all of the application. Next to if you are working on multiple sheets, there will be chances to you have to work with the different sheets. So for that I have one virtual keyboard, like I can show you over here. You have to press Control, and you can see that there are multiple worksheets are here. So I have to just press page up, page down, so we can just swap with the multiple sheets. Okay, now next key is to change the format of particular cell. So for that you can just select the cell, Control Shift by 1, you can just see that it will become under the decimal. By 2, it will come under the date and time format. By 3, it come under the date format. By 4, it come under the currency format, and by 5, it come under the percentage format. Same as by Control and Home and Control plus arrow keys, you can just go with the different location. Hope you like this video and hope it will be very useful for you. So you can just give me some more suggestion that what kind of material you want, study material you want, so I can try to make some more videos related to that. And you can just subscribe my channel, so it will be very helpful for me to be in connect with you. So this is my new channel, you can just subscribe. Thank you for watching.